In just 3 generations, human numbers have exploded, from 2.5 billion to over 8 billion. Our demand for resources has grown 6-fold. Humans are now devouring the living resources of our Earth without thought for tomorrow. The scientific proof is overwhelming. Together, we are now facing 10 catastrophic threats. Rapid decline of vital natural resources like water, soil, fish, and forests. Collapse of ecosystems causing mass extinction of animals and plants. Massive human population growth substantially exceeding the planet's carrying capacity. Global heating, sea level rise, and changes in the Earth's climate imperiling our food supply and affecting all human activity. Chemical emissions poisoning every human and living creature on Earth. Growing threats to humanity's food security. An escalating danger of nuclear war. New pandemics and untreatable diseases. Powerful, uncontrolled new technologies that will change and can ruin all our lives. On top of that, there's a flood of lies and misinformation leading to global failure to understand and act on these risks. These threats must all be solved together if the danger is to be avoided. This demands cooperation and commitment from the whole human family. Acting together as one people on one planet is the only way we get past this crisis. To tackle these vast problems, we now need world agreement, an Earth Systems Treaty. This is a legal compact for a set of actions to ensure that we have a habitable Earth far into the future. A treaty which every government, every group, every business, and every individual human can sign, committing themselves to preserving life on a habitable Earth. An Earth Systems Treaty would contain the following legal commitments. A universal ban on all nuclear weapons. An international plan to combat climate change. An international plan to restore forests, soils, fresh waters, oceans, atmosphere, and biodiversity to stable, sustainable levels and end extinction. An international agreement to operate a circular economy and end waste. A plan for a renewable world food supply sufficient for all. A plan to end universal chemical pollution in all its forms. A plan to reduce the human population voluntarily to a sustainable level. A plan to anticipate and prevent future pandemic diseases. A global technology convention to prevent harm from wrongful use of powerful new technologies. A World Truth Commission to combat and expose the lies and the disinformation. An Earth Standard Currency. All 16 of the principles enunciated in the Earth Charter. All of the safe global boundaries described by the Stockholm Resilience Centre. We have the technology and the brains to solve our problems. Now is the time to develop the means and the institutions and the global will to adopt the solutions. Building commitment to an Earth Systems Treaty will be the most ambitious thing that humans have ever done. It will also be the greatest. The Earth Systems Treaty will also be the first true act of global democracy. A habitable Earth, forged by the people, for all the people. The time to act is now. Let us stand, all of us together, and support the Earth Systems Treaty.